In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pan controls in BandLab. Now to do this, you have to use this button over here on your track. So if I actually play it right now, when it's in the middle, it's going to sound like this. Okay, but if I go and click over here and then drag towards the upside, it's going to go and start turning this towards the right, okay? So if I go all the way to the right, like this, to +50, it's going to now play this only in your right headphone if you're using headphones, or from your right speaker if you are using speakers, okay? So let me play this for you now. There we go, but if I go to the down, so if I click and drag down, it's going to go towards the left, okay? So if I go all the way to the down, to the left like this, it's going to play it only in your left one. And of course, you can go and change this whenever you're playing your audio as well. So if I now play the audio and start changing it, you will hear the difference. There we go, so that's how this works. Drag up to go right, drag down to go left. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.